Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. My name is Sivya, and for this video I designed my diaries using ribbons. You can use whatever you want. You can use thin stripes of fabrics, or you can use those sticky tapes for this. It just looks amazing, and you can customize it the way you want, or you can copy the way I have done it. I just went with my instinct and it just turned out perfect. I love it, and this is how the diary looks right now. I think it looks absolutely perfect and it's so easy, you won't believe. And let's just jump right into the video and let's do this. For this you'll need three sorts of ribbons. I've used grey, white and black. You use whatever you want. You'll need a diary, pair of scissors, glue or hot glue gun. So to start with, I'm gonna stick my ribbons in this particular order, starting with black, then grey, then white, and I will continue doing so. So fold your diary and get an approximate length of how much ribbon you'll need, and continue placing all the ribbons one by one. And also on the sides here I've changed the order. I have 2 whites, 2 blacks and 1 grey. So again, to weave, I'm starting with the first one, that is black, and for black I'm going alternatively above and under the ribbons. For grey, I'm going over 2 whites, under 2 blacks and over 1 grey, and I'll repeat doing so. And for white, again I'm doing over and under. So this is the pattern that I chose. You can play with it. You can go above 3, then under 3, then above 3. You do you. You do whatever you like, and the weaving pattern will change. But I have to tell you, this was a lot of fun. So continue weaving your diary. Once you reach this length, you're gonna try and stick the ribbons one by one, and make sure the ribbons are really tight and they don't fall off. And here's where hot glue gun is your best friend, because normal glue will take a while to dry up, but hot glue, it's the best. So once you're done gluing up the lateral pieces, for longitudinal ones you have to make sure that you're folding the diary and then only gluing it up. Otherwise you might get some strain in the diary and it might not open up as much. So giving it final touches, adjusting the ribbons, adding some glues if it needs anywhere. And this is the last step, because the insides might look untidy. So what I did is I glued up the first and the last page to it. And you can add some extra piece of paper, or you could do what I did, and this ends up looking very professional. So give it final touches, and there you have it. So your ordinary diary just turned into this super customized diary, which looks absolutely wonderful. I really hope you enjoyed watching the video. Comment down below if you're gonna give it a try or not, and I just want you to give it a shot. Go wild with your imagination. It might just turn out amazing like it did in my case. And give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Till then, take care and bye bye.